Alright guys, we are back with the new video. So in my previous video I show you how to design my advanced search process page. So this is my design, you can see my design. If you don't watch that video, you can go to my channel and watch it. Today video is all about programming part, so it is backend programming part. So now I can search my products with using some keywords. If I show you some examples, I can if I want to search Apple phone, so I want to give keyword like Apple, so I give like this and search there. Now I can get Apple phone product in my e-commerce platform. And also I have some TVs in my platform, also I type like this, and now we can have these two products. And I have some video game consoles here, I type like this and search it. So we can have these products like this, and we can have a product title and price, also they are in stock or out of stock, and how many items left in our product in our website. And we can have these two buttons, buy now and add to cart buttons. So let's go to see how we can how we program that process. So in my previous video I show you the function that I made like advanced search. So I already told you how to make that function. I give this advanced search function with that on-click attribute in my search button located where advanced search page. So we want to go to advanced search process PHP file which we made in our previous video. So we want to give the on-click and give that advanced search command inside the on-click attribute, and we want to get into there, which is a JavaScript file. So I need to make a function with that, and need to get that for loop variable like x inside the brackets of that command. And in my previous video I don't program this, so now I get my input field IDs to this JavaScript file and catch those IDs with that variables. So you can see like this, I made some variables for every input field IDs. So I make a variable text like this and catch that ID using this document.getElementById option. And these all are same as that, you can see them. And we are coming to our AJAX requesting form method system. I make a form like advanced form for my AJAX requesting method, and make a form data object like this, and append those input field values into my AJAX requesting form and get values. And now I want to check my ready state is equal to 4. If it is equals to 4, we want to show our searching products in our web page. So now you can see there we can have our products. We want to create that ID in our advanced search process.php file. So we want to give it to this location. I will show you that. You can see there's a red dot here. So you need to go to this 183 line, and now you want to give your view area ID inside this view box. So if I explain about this view box, I make this view box for this. You can see this. If I refresh the page, you can see this area. It means no item search here. So I make that view box for that area to select this area for my product. So if I give that view area ID to that view box, inside the view box, we can when we search our products, we can have these products on our on that selected area. And also we can move our pages with pagination part. I will talk about that in this video. And we are going to our advanced search .php file. This is my brand new file. So we want to send our AJAX request to that advanced search.php file using this post method, and we want to get our AJAX form into the send method like this. And you need to put that true statement because you are sending your request with using AJAX requesting method. So these are the brand new function in JavaScript file. And we are going to advanced search.php file. This is a brand new file. So we require connection to there, and I give that AJAX requesting method values to that server side and catch them with these variables. So you can see like this, I made some variables for every input field values. So you need to get this JavaScript file values, and if you think you will mistake some of them, you can copy and paste there, because these values need to be really equal in server side. And also I make a common select query here. You can see I assign that select query to $query variable, and I want to check my dollar status, and I assign it to 0 value. I get that $query because I made that common query here. You can see there's a common query, select all from product. So I want to select my all products, so that's the common query. We don't type that query again in our program. So I want to get that query with this database connection and make that product number variable and check the result set and number of interaction and I want to assign that interaction to that product number variable. And I need 8 items for my one page. So I get that result per page variable to 8 value. So when I search something, when I search all categories, I need to get 8 products per one page. So you can see there's 8 products here. So that is the thing we can program with that variable. And I need to get the SELI function because we want to divide our product number variable by $result per page variable and assign that value to $number page. So we were talking about that SELI function in my previous videos with some W3 school examples and notes, and also I show you how Visual Studio Code show that SELI functions, and there is also a helpful note here. And also I'm making this $view result count variable, and I need to get my $page number variable. If it is 1, we want to minus 1 from 1 and multiply it with $result per page. So the result is 0 value. If we have second page, we are minus from 1 and we can have 1, and I multiply it with 8. So 8 multiple 1 is 8. So we can have 8 items in first page. So now you can see I search some product and refresh that and search product. So in my first page we can have 8 items, we can show them, and also my second page we can have 8 items, and third page we have 7 items. And I want to put that limit keyword here with that dollar result per page, that means 8 value, and I need to give it offset. We have this while statement here. So in this while statement I make the results data variable and assign it to result set variable. So, and I want to check that fetch and $result rs variable interaction and assign it to result data variable. And I also need to make that image data variable because I need to get my product image to inside to my cards in my advanced search process. And this is the same quantity query, and we made it in our home page and also in basic search process. So now you know how we can make this. And also we are going to our pagination part. You can see there's pagination, and in my basic search process video I show you how to make that pagination process, and also I get the design using Bootstrap website. So now you know how to program this with our PHP scriptlet and on-click attribute. So the change is I change that command because I already have advanced search command in my JavaScript file. So I give that command into there because I want to click on that and I want to change my page to second page. And if I click on this third button, I want to change it to my third page. So if we want to do that process, we want to give this advanced search command which is make on our JavaScript file. So we want to give that command to there with using this on-click attribute. And also you need to do this match part here, $page number. We want to, if we want to go previous, we want to if we want to go previous page, we want to minus 1 from $page number variable. So example of that, if we are in second page, we want to go to first page, so we want to minus 1 from 2, so the value is 1. So we can now go to first page, so we are in third page now. Then I click on previous button, we are going to second page, and we are going to first page. Now in first page we can't go anywhere with that previous button. In next button we want to add one page for our $page number variable, so we can go next pages using that next button. So this is my last page, this is third page, so this is my last page, so I can't go any further with that next button. So the pagination part is also same as our basic search process video. So I don't change anything in this pagination part, only changes this command. So in my basic search process part, I give this basic search command to this. Now I give this advanced search command to my pagination part. So that is the only change in this advanced search PHP file. And now we can search anything what we want in this advanced search process. So in my next video I am going to show you how we can search from category, brand, model, and how we can search from conditions, colors, and how this price range working on our web page, and what are these sort by filters. We can use some filters to search our products, so we can see how we can do them. Alright guys, I see you around in my next video. It also be a backend programming video. I will catch you soon. Peace.